Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix WhatsApp notification not showing on your iPhone. So all we need to go ahead and do is to double check if we have the notifications for WhatsApp enabled. So I want you to go ahead and launch the WhatsApp application. Go ahead and enter your two-step verification PIN if you do have that enabled. And I want you to tap on your settings. Now once you're there, just tap on notifications. And I want you to proceed with tapping on show notifications for your message notifications and also for your group notifications. Now if you want reaction notifications, you could also have that enabled through here, and also in-app notifications. Now showing previews could also be enabled, but you could also choose to turn that off. And once that is already done, you could also go ahead and double check if you have notifications enabled on your iOS device. So going over on your iOS settings, I want you to go ahead and tap on your notification settings right there, and then scroll to the WhatsApp application until you see that you have notifications allowed. Now make sure that this is turned on so that you will not have any issues with your WhatsApp notifications not showing. So that is essentially all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.